Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First, let me thank you all for coming here today. I would like to share to you about the presentation. It's about social media literacy counseling for prospective propagators for hoax information. The first time, I will start my presentation from introduction, and then material and methodology, and then about result and discussion, and the last part is conclusion. Okay, I will start from introduction. This counseling was conducted in 2018. From data in 2018 showed that internet users in Indonesia reached 171.18 million people, and Java occupies the top place for most users. Meanwhile, 89.7% of internet users are students, and 97% of users access various content from social media. Various online media platforms provide easy flexibility and access to facilitate the dissemination of information. Everyone, anywhere, and anytime can use the internet as long as it is connected to the internet network. Master research studied the channels that are widely used to spread hoaxes are website, chat application, and social media. Ministry of Communication and Informatic data studies as many as 800,000 sites in Indonesia are indicated as spreading hoaxes and hate speech. Students, as the nation's successors, are also exposed to hoax news received from their social media account, including students who are studying to become preachers, which will spread the religion of Islam to the community. Therefore, it is important to provide students with an early understanding of the dangers of hoax information. Thus, the purpose of this community service is to equip students to participate in counseling about the dangers of hoaxes. Students are expected to know the steps that must be taken when they are exposed to hoax news to stop the hoax and delete it from social media accounts. Comprehensively, it is hoped that after they graduate, students can become reliable extension worker, research. They can provide explanation to the public not to disseminate hoax information and also not to produce hoax information. Hoax in the Oxford Dictionary has the meaning as a form of deception to make humor or to bring harm, while in the English dictionary, hoax means mockery, lying, cheating. Hoax influence everyone who read it, so the person believe that the hoax he read is true. Someone who spread hoaxes and makes people believe the information even though the information is not true, then there are a hoax spreader. There are variety of hoaxes: fake news, clickbait, confirmation bias, misinformation, satire, post-truth, propaganda. And the counseling located in Semarang, Central Java. The participant is the Dakwah and Communication Faculty students, campus press activists. And then the research person, Central Java senior journalist, commissioner of the Central Java Regional Indonesian Broadcasting Commission, and lecturer of the Faculty of Dakwah and Communication at UIN Wali Songo. The activity was opened by the head of the Islamic Communication at Broadcasting Department, followed by the presentation of material about the negative impact of hoax news, as well as the impact of hoax news disseminated by social media. And then the results and discussion. 7 media literacy skill. We have to know. The first is analysis, and then evaluation, grouping, induction, deduction, synthesis, and the last abstracting. Hoaxes are often found because they are producers who spread false information. Hoaxes on social media become widespread when picked up by reputable sites or actors who have a large following. In his presentation, a research person who worked as a senior journalist said that to curb and eradicate hoax literacy campaign, fact-checking initiative, and the application of unitive measures to prevent their spread. Students are asked to pay attention to sites that spread hoaxes by checking the URL addresses of the site that broadcast them. Students are encouraged to participate in discussion in anti-hoax discussion groups. Another short side, due to the hoax phenomenon, people become doubtful about the truth of the information conveyed by the media. The speed of posting status and tweet can have an impact on the presentation of hoax news. Posting and sharing information without consideration and social responsibility is also one of the factors that exacerbate the existence of hoaxes. And the last is conclusion. Students are expected to be conscious to use social media and be responsible for receiving and disseminating information, especially related to hoaxes. The counseling or socialization that has been carried out turned out to be successful in growing an understanding of the dangers of hoaxes when disseminated. As prospective research or counseling worker, students will not disseminate hoaxes and will not produce hoax in dakwah message that will be disseminated to the public. I think that's all. Thank you.